Welcome back to another episode of Not For The Weak Minded. This is just a quick video to show you what happens if you just type in the axis of evil. If you were just trying to look for it in terms of cosmology. So you'll come up with this. The phrase axis of evil was first used by US President George W. Bush in his State of the Union address on January 29th, 2002, and often repeated throughout his presidency to describe foreign governments that, during his administration, sponsored terrorism and sought weapons of mass destruction. Lies, then. Axis of evil. So what you see is they cleverly named it the sacred alignment of the earth and the universe to do with creation, the axis of evil, first of all because they don't like it, and second of all to hide the facts that you have to search deeper than just knowing that it's called the axis of evil, because this is what happens. You'll just get stuff up about something that's completely it's not connected to, and that's how they work. They have been labeling stuff and double meanings, and unfortunately today many people are fooled to not even know like how they operate and why would they even call this sacred alignment with the universe and the earth the axis of evil in the first place. As you can see, you can't see anything about it and see if you've typed in cosmology. Let's try it. Go to the top. There, you have to type in cosmology to even get it. See what I'm saying? So you have to, first of all, have to know how to search, and one word can make a difference. Please share, like and subscribe.